Welcome to Saraswati Sisukunj Vogala, Borsad Standard 3rd, Subject Maths, English Medium, Chapter number 5, Shapes and Designs. In this chapter, we already learned about the 4 topics, okay? Now, in this topic number 5, we have to learn about the weaving patterns. But before that, we revise the part 4 topic and what is the topic name? Our topic name is tangram, okay? Our topic name is what is tangram. Okay, so what is tangram? A tangram is a one kind of puzzle. So it is a one kind of puzzle. Okay, as you seen in the figure, there will be one square is given. Okay, and that square we have to cut into 5 pieces. So what is the second one? A square cut into 5 pieces. Okay, and which shape you can see in the figure? Triangle, squares, parallelograms. Okay, there are total 3 triangles. Okay, and all triangles are equal? No, they are not equal. Okay, now third one is using these shapes. Using these shapes, we can make different designs. Okay, as you seen in what kind of designs we make. For example, here if you can see the design of animals, then birds, and then mountains. Okay, and also we did one activity regarding to the tangram. Okay, so you understood about that topic. Okay, now let's start our new topic, and new topic name is weaving patterns. Okay, now before start our new topic, okay, first of all I will explain you what is weaving. Okay, weaving is the craft or action. Weaving is the craft or action of forming fabric by interlacing threads. Okay, for examples, by cotton spinning and weaving is done in mills in Gujarat, especially in Surat. Okay, that types of mills are available in Surat. Understood about the weaving? Now these weaving patterns I will explain you by one examples. Okay, as you can see in the picture, Golu and Binu went to the market with their aunt. Okay, and they saw many rugs. Rugs means a carpet. You can see carpet at your home. Okay, they saw so many rugs in the markets. Okay, now then if you see in the picture, both are seeing so many colors in the picture, right? And so many shapes are seen so in the picture. Okay, now from the picture there are some questions are given, and we try to solve the question. Okay, now let's start our first question. Which geographical shapes can you identify? Okay, if you observe this in picture, you can see so many shapes. For example, you can see here square. Okay, using of square they can make a different pattern. Then if you can see the figure, triangles. Okay, there will be so many triangles are given, and using of triangles they made a pattern. Then next one is circle. If you see the picture, you can see the circles, and using of this circle they make a pattern. And if you notice the one new shape for you, a shape have 6 sides. A shape have 6 sides, and this shape name we call hexagon. If you notice the picture, there will be one shape is given is hexagon. Okay, now so what is our answer? Which geographical shapes can you identify? So here our answer is square, then triangle, then circle and hexagon. Okay, now second one is any shape repeating in a particular pattern and which one? Okay, if you observe in the picture, if you observe in the pictures, there are some shapes. If you notice that, then squares are repeatedly again. Okay, so here our answer is square. Then which shape are, second one is which shape are repeatedly again and again. If you observe in the picture, you can see the circle. Okay, so here our answer is circle. Understood about that? Okay, now third one is, are the shapes made of curved line, straight line? And third one is both curved and straight lines. Okay, so everyone know about the what is straight line, curved lines. Okay, so if you observe in the pictures, there are some shapes are made from the both lines, curved lines and straight lines. So our answer is both curved and straight line. Understood about this topic? And if you at home, if you observe that in your mother's sari, okay, you find it a weaving pattern. Understood about that? See floor pattern. Floor pattern. Have you noticed the floor on its designs of at your home, in temple, or at your friend home? Do you know how these designs are made? These designs are made by covering the floor completely with small tiles that fit into each other without any gap. Okay, for example, look at the shape of a tile and see how it fits. Okay, now next one is draw lines to match the following tiles with the designs that they make on the floor. Okay, again I will read the question. Draw a line to match the following tiles with the design that they make on the floor. Okay, you can see in the picture, you can see here different types of tiles. Okay, tiles number A, B, C and D. Okay, A number tiles, if you can see that is one is triangle shape, right? Then B number shape, you can see the square. Okay, how many triangles are shaded? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and in C number tiles, if you can see that how many triangles are shaded? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in D number hexagon, if you see the notice of this shape, have a 6 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many sides? 6 sides. Means we call that hexagon. Okay, and how many triangles are shaded? 2 triangles are shaded. And you can see also the floor designs. Okay, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number and 4 design. And we have to match the following tiles with the floor designs. Understood about? Now let's start to match the designs. Okay, now if you observe the A number tiles, you can see the A number tiles figure is triangle. Okay, and now see that also. And if you observe that this one is triangle shape and one triangle is not shaded. Okay, so you have to match the A number with 4 number. Understood about the first one? Now second one is, if you notice that here D number we take. Okay, so here how many triangles are shaded? 1, 2 and 3. And what is the shape of this square? Now here if you notice that 1, 2, 3 are shaded. Okay, so here we make this shape. Understood about that? Now next one is C number. Okay, so C number, what is the shape of this shape? Square. Okay, and how many triangles are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now observe it. Here 2 triangles are not also. Here if you observe that 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to match C number with 2 number. Understood? Now last one is only this one is remain. So you have to match D number with 1 number. Okay, here if you are not able to triangles are settled. Right, understood about this topic? This question given in worksheet and you have to solve it and you have to send to me. Thank you.